It may not be the Metropolitan Museum of Art with a collection of 35,000 costumes, but for a laundromat, it's pretty darn fashionable. We've got your sock at the Apple Valley Plaza in LaGrange. In fact, is a combined small-scale museum and a place to do your wash. Behind the industrial-sized machines is a clothing timeline that owner Susie Key, the Queen of Clean, has created, spanning 140 years, from the pre-Civil War Victorian period all the way to the 1980s.
I would have ended with current times, and those two items would have been, I do everyone's laundry, a Victoria's Secret thong, and a pair of yoga pants. I just thought, we're a laundromat, having clothes hanging up would be kind of cool, but I wanted people to have something to do, to look at when they do their laundry, so time passes by more quickly.
The laundromat, open for 5 years, has already made quite a splash with customers who appreciate the creative space while they wait for their permanent press to finish drying.
I think it's great. It's nice to come into a place that's not really cold. It makes it warm, and then you can look back in time and say, wow, look at the outfits that they wore then, you know. We look at all the different styles that they have, and it's amazing how things have changed.
Now, the clothing timeline is just one of the treasures you'll discover while doing your laundry. In fact, Key has additional artifacts that will take history buffs down memory lane.
Among them, old-fashioned irons from the Great Depression and even soaps and suds that Grandma might have used.
I like to think of it as a laundry experience. I want to surpass people's expectations of what a laundromat is.
Key's even got a vintage 1940s Maytag that still works among the items that bring smiles to customers' faces and helps to wash their troubles away.
The top of the washing machine has a wringer attachment. Believe it or not, Maytag made a butter churn attachment, a meat grinding attachment, and a sausage making attachment. So if you could imagine doing your wash, perhaps on a Monday, and then someone saying to you, hurry up with the wash, we've got to churn the butter for the week, or we just killed a pig.
As ideas were spinning around in her brain, Key came up with a clever kid space that includes a toy washing machine so they can pretend to do the dreaded chore, and a library if they get bored waiting. She's even displayed a collection of hundreds of socks not to be missed, or in this case, lost.
I always ask people, how can I improve this place? Because I think it's not too late to keep setting the bar higher.
How are you going to surpass this?
I don't know. I have to wait for the next great epiphany. Do you have any ideas?